Hello, and welcome to story time. It is linear story time, but I'm going to kind of explain how you could tell a story that is linear. What does it mean to be linear? It means we're going to be looking at something that goes in a straight line. We're not looking at something like that. That is not linear. We are looking at something that is straight. So here it's going to be bam, or here it's going to be bam. So, what's our story here? We've got Lil Chin. He's playing some Pokemon. And our stories we're going to start. He's going to start with 40 Pokemon. And then we need to have a rate that he's doing something at with the Pokemon over a course of time. So we're going to say that he catches 3 Pokemon per hour. So when you see this per, or you see each, or you see every, that is going to tell you that it's going to be the rate. Make that little red box. So maybe write that somewhere. And then we're going to need something with time. So it's going to have to say, since we're looking at per hour, our time has to be an hour. So we're going to say, how many will he have in 10 hours? So all we're going to do there is take how much he's going to start with, and we're going to add that to how much is his rate times his time. So our rate here is 3 Pokemon, and our time here is 10 hours. 3 times 10 is 30. So he has, sorry, it's stuck in the corner and a little bit sloppy, 70 Pokemon. So that's how our linear stories are going to work. We're going to have a starting amount and then a rate. This last part is just to find a specific point in time, and that's what we're going to be doing right now. So the second story is going to be about me confiscating all of your tech decks. So let's say at the start of the year, you guys collectively have 250 tech decks. And then my rate of time per week, I'm going to say there were 8 confiscated. Each week. So remember now, since week is my time frame, when I do my time question, it has to be in weeks. So we're going to say, how many tech decks will the students have in 6 weeks? So what are we going to do? We're going to take our starting amount. And honestly, I would pause it and try to solve it on your own first. But either way, we're going to take our starting amount, 250. And we're going to take our rate of time. Since if it's confiscated, we're going down. So we're not going to add anymore. We're going to subtract. So it's got a negative linear equation. But our rate is still 8. Multiplying with our time, 6. We have 6 weeks. We have our starting amount. And we're adding or subtracting with our rate multiplied with our time. So 250 minus 8 times 6 is 48, and that is going to give me a nice 202. See, you guys still got plenty of tech decks for me to take. Alright, that's linear stories though. This one with a positive slope, this one with a negative slope. Goodbye.